Hey there, my stamping friends. It's September 1st, and I have our DSP paper sketch number 29 to share with you today. We're creating with the delightfully eclectic DSP today, pairing it with Night of Navy and Basic White. We're going to use the large navy panel from this print, and from the second print, we're going to use the 4 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 squares. I stamped a simple hello with Night of Navy from the Biggest Wish stamp set, and then I die cut it with this hexagon, which is actually found in the Something Fancy dies. So here are all our parts and pieces. Remember, you can get all this in print with my mini tutorial emails. First, we're going to build our focal point. On the basic white square, we're going to add the 4 squares of DSP. I added 2 with about 1/8 of an inch framing around them, and then add the other 2. So we get this. Now fold your card base in half and give it a good crease with your bone folder. Then add the large panel of DSP to the front of your card. Now add your focal image with dimensionals. Now for a little embellishment, I'm going to use the Night of Navy ribbon. I measured on the diagonal 3 times and then added adhesive to the center. Then I added dimensionals to the back of my hello sentiment, and we'll put it right in the middle. So here's our final project all put together. I really like the way it came out. Use the link in my description to see my DSP sketch projects gallery and also where you can sign up for the mini tutorials. Remember, subscribe on YouTube and to my newsletter so you don't miss out on anything. Thanks everybody. We'll